to talk about AI. Right now, we are in a strange moment where the many smart people agree. They stand and raise the urgent question about the risk absorption, responsibility, timeline control, and our collective future worldwide today. Others say it may be more profound than fire.
I've always thought of AI as the most profound technology, more profound than fire or electricity.
Everyone agree artificial intelligence says something, but almost no one explains what that actually means. We hear the dramatic claim that AI will be either save humanity or destroy it.
Intelligence may kill us first.
The risk that could lead to the extinction of humans.
AI is a fundamental existential risk for human civilization.
How do we know we can keep control?
Let's get specific. In this video, I'm not interested in the science fiction or abstract panic. I want to understand how AI concurrently affect my life and your, and what realistic way AI could make us more capable, more creative, or more freely. In what exact scenario it influence undermine our autonomy, our job, even our ability to think independently.
Artificial intelligence.
The benefits vastly outweigh the risks.
Eventually, they will completely outthink their makers.
AI could begin to kill humans.
AI has the potential to change society.
A lot of people can be replaced by this technology.
Is this depressing? I don't see why it should be.
This will be the greatest technology humanity has yet developed.
To understand why we are suddenly seeing an expanse of mind-blowing AI tool, we need to understand how system actually work, and to do that we need to look at the game. But that game is not usual. This is not another AI defect woman champion story. There is no woman at all. In this game, both players are artificial intelligence, learning, adapting, and competing entire by own. By watching machine play against the machine, we can see something far more important than our headline victory. We can see how intelligent emerged, how strategy evolved, and why modern AI advanced so rapidly in the short period of time. To understand, one of the players is a legendary chess built by the woman and loaded with the incredible rule for how to play the game.
The game playing was done algorithmically. Move here, evaluate this, do the math that.
However, uses the completely different approach, learning from experience rather than the flowing rigid instruction.
The game, without any of those rules, it just watched enough games to see what winning looked like.
Result, the second player completely outmaneuvered the first, revealing the strategic truth. Intelligence doesn't come from the complexity or the rule. It can emerge from the adaptability, pattern recognition, and self-directed learning. Alpha Zero doesn't understand the chess math go like humans do. It has no concept of strategy, root, or power. All it knows how to play and win. By playing millions of games against self, it learns the pattern tactics purely from the experience. It has no reasoning. It has obsessed particle turned into the superhuman skill. In other words, our systems have evolved from the relying and adapt in what make the tool like the ChatGPT possible today. The underlying technology is called machine learning.
Machine learning.
Machine learning.
Its sudden performance comes from the tendable success of this learning algorithm at fundamental level. Interest of being programmed with a fixed if this then that rule. The computer is given data and input and output, figure out the pattern rule and its own. Often if they develop the strategy and even they might be not fully understand. This capability is allowed the modern AI is to perform amazing fact we see today. This rapid progression in AI is largely driven by the massive improvement in computer power. If you look at the trend over time, you will notice the sharp change around 2009. That was the point where AI began shifting to CPU to GPU, thanks to advanced underlying hardware technology. GPU lies how they handle the computation. CPU good at the performing a few complex tasks sequentially, while GPU is excellent at the run 1,000 of simple operation in parallel. It helps to analyze something like the Mythbuster style demo situations. A machine can be slowly compute the tasks step by step versus a system that can perform many small tasks simultaneously. Both are finish the job, but parallel approach dramatically faster. The parallel processing ability made the GPU incredibly effective for training neural networks, where the massive number of small calculations need to happen at the same time. As a result, modern AI systems have become more powerful than earlier generation, and they are continue to improve at a fast rate. According to the OpenAI, the amount of computing power used to train the large AI model has been historically doubled roughly every 3 months. The explosive growth helped explain the why AI systems can pass the professional exam like US bar exam, generate a highly realistic image, and answer the extremely complex question. This combination of the rapid scaling and increasing the capability is increasing the modern AI increasingly impressive and for many people a little unsettling. Today, we have the technology that can learn and improving at incredible speed. Popular culture, especially movie, often pushes the idea that intelligent machine will eventually against the woman. That makes for the dramatic story, but that misses the important point. AI don't have the desire, intention, and survival instincts of their own. They don't want anything, including harming the people. So why experts are still concerned?
Musk and hundreds of influential names, including Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, are calling for a pause in experiments, saying AI poses a dramatic risk to society unless there's proper oversight.
I think we need to regulate AI safety, frankly, because it is, I think, actually a bigger risk to society than cars or planes or medicine.
Recently, Sam Altman and the hundred of other leaders in technology signed the public statement that caught my attention. It said that the reducing the risks human extinction caused by the AI should be treated as a global priority on the same level as treated like the pandemic and the nuclear weapon. This comparison strictly suggests that the some of the people as closest to the AI development believe that the potential risks are extinction seriously. That comparison shocking the many people because it was not written by the movie directors. It was written by the people who are building the AI system themselves. Important point, they are not saying AI is dangerous right now. They are not saying the extinction is inevitable. They are saying if the AI become extremely powerful, we cannot fail to control it. The consequences could be the. If you want clear, honest conversation about AI without hype and fear, subscribe to Navin X AI because understanding AI is first step to saving the futures.